Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Dunkirk, local and long-distance movers near me. Shifting to a long-distance place is quite tough. Moving all your stuff not only sounds exhausting, but is also risky. Handling heavy items like a sofa or refrigerator is not a single person's work. You need a team that knows how to handle it. The team at 3 Movers has been serving the people at Dunkirk for 2 decades. We make sure that all your stuff reaches your new destination in the same condition as you had at your old place. We also provide compensation if any of your products get damaged by our staff. Packing and unpacking your products. Free and open communication with our professionals until the day your whole products are moved. Storage facilities for our customers. Our team members are punctual and responsible. We will deliver your products on time decided earlier. Are you planning to move locally into the house or office of your dreams? Then you must know that it's not an easy job to shift everything from your last place to a new one. You will be tired, and it will take you days to set everything at your new place. Hiring professionals might sound expensive, but after getting in touch with 3 Movers, your misconception will go away within minutes. We are experts in the moving or van line industry and know all the streets routes of Dunkirk. So no matter how far is your new place, we make sure that all your stuff reaches you safely. Our team will get the work done in just a day. So you can sit and relax while our team sets up your new place. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dunkirk moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.